working on Carol's lower back, her sacrum, actually really inflamed. She's been having back problems, lower back problems for, would you say a week now? A week now. She's a little inflamed in her hips, her TFL, this band right in here. She's getting on her glute major and minor. Sit on her QL, which is right in here. She's pushing back a little bit, so take a nice big deep breath in and just let it fall. There we go. Quad isn't too bad. Quads. And we're gonna stretch the quad and hip flexor. You feel that?
Yeah.
Awesome. Done correctly, this feels like a great stretch. Deep breath. Nice big deep breath. Now I'm getting right into the TFL, let it go, relax it. And I'm gonna pin this down. And just do some exercises. Go. So a lot of times what happens is these IT bands, relax it. Is that relaxed? Jeez, her IT bands are ridiculous. So the IT bands get really tight. They connect into the labrum. Labrum goes into the TFL. If this is tighter than this side, it'll start to shift your hips back and forth. And that's not good for the sacrum or the coccyx, because that's what helps that sciatic nerve get activated. Come up. You're gonna sit back down, and then you're gonna, so go ahead and sit back down, and you're gonna bring the chest up. There you go. Can you sit up higher? Or is that hard to do? Yeah. There you go, get low. There you go. Does it feel like you have to tuck your core in order for you not to feel your back?
Without this one, yes.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, so now I want you to try to dive into it. Nice control. Drop the head. Days, you'll be back to 100%.